Do you want to know what I love about my job? I get to give out great news, and I have got some great news for you today. So it's a happy day for everybody. First of all, congratulations on maintaining your engagement in the Future Leader program. We are so happy to see how many people are showing up to their classes, they're doing their homework, they're engaging, and more importantly, keeping really great conversation going in your community. So, how about that great news I said I had for you? Well, I know if you talk to maybe some other people that were in the Future Leader program, you might have heard that they played for some special reward. So guess what? We have a special challenge and yes, a special reward coming your way. But this isn't like the reward we gave the people before. It is better. And here's why. Imagine networking with other consultants. Imagine learning from top leadership speakers in the industry. Imagine learning from your executive team here that's making it happen every single day. Imagine spending time with myself and your CEO, Chris Chickenelli, and maybe even your founder, Patty Brisbane. Imagine having time to have fun, right? Let your hair down, have a soft drink or a cocktail, whatever you choose, right? Imagine all that and more. Because what we have for you in the Future Leader program as your challenge and reward is a trip, but a trip on steroids. Bigger and better than we've done any trip for any other Future Leader program. Now here's how this is going to work. The team has put together a document for you that's going to give you all the details. But here's what you need to know about this. In our lead week, right, in Lexington, we actually have two sections of that week. The first one is really dedicated to our newer upcoming consultants, like consultant and advanced consultant levels that are really driving to build teams, but they're newer to the game. And then the second part of the week is actually dedicated to our advanced consultants, those individuals that have already built teams and they're helping to surround those teams and helping people live bigger, brighter futures. So how does this impact you? Well, what you're going to find is depending on what level you entered the Future Leader program in, that's going to determine what part of this week you come into. So if you're new to the game, you're going to come into that first section of the week. You're going to still have amazing training. You're going to have amazing time. We're going to wine and dine you, right? And you're going to be able to earn that trip. So Chris and the management team here said they should get something too. So how about a $500 bonus? Right? Now, think about this. The other people that are coming to that advanced leadership part of the week in Lexington, they don't get that offer. When you engage in our challenge, which we're outlining what your requirements are right here in this document, you're going to be able to go after that reward. So everybody can win. You might be coming into that first part of the week and having a trip on steroids, and you might be coming into that second part of the week and having amazing, amazing experience with leadership training, networking, learning from the best of the best. It is a win-win across the board. So I think, what do you think? This is a good news day, right? Don't you love a challenge? And better yet, don't you love celebrating with reward? So I hope no matter what level you enter this program that we're going to see you in Lexington, and you're either going to have that trip for free or that $500 in cash in hand, and we're going to be celebrating together. Let's do it. We'll see you in Lexington.